Oh, hey everyone, Justin here, and welcome back to the Book Nook. We're actually at this new cafe down the street. Caroline will be right back. She's just grabbing us a snack, and I'm just finishing up this article. I'm reading all of. Hold on. Wait, what? Oh my. Oh my gosh. And to think all those bananas I, this says that humans and bananas are related. Did you hear what I said? Related! I have to tell people, you stay here and don't eat any bananas. That would be like eating your family!
Oh. Wait. Was he just saying what I think he was saying? Humans are related to bananas? Well, why in the world would Justin think humans and bananas are related? Wait, what is this? It looks like an article, a kind of informational text. Oh, we set a goal to read at least 10 of these. Huh. The title says, Unlocking the Secrets of DNA, How Molecules Connect Us All. The title tells me that this article is going to be about DNA and molecules, not bananas. I think we need to read this so we can come to an accurate conclusion. A conclusion is a decision or judgment. You can come to conclusions after reading information, but we want to be sure we're using information accurately or correctly to support our conclusions. We'll be learning to read the whole text, including something called text features, to work on that skill today. You follow along too, and pause whenever you need to complete your guided notes. All right, let's read. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It's a long, twisty molecule that scientists call the building blocks of life. It acts like a set of instructions, telling cells what to do, whether they're making a flower, a frog, or a human being. Nothing about bananas so far. But we can draw some conclusions from this first paragraph, a group of sentences that share a common idea. We can also use the text features the author included. Look, this word molecule is bolded for us, and it was in the title too. Bolded words show us important vocabulary or concepts in an informational text. There's even this diagram, a simple drawing to show us what DNA looks like. Using what the text says and what these text features help us understand, we can draw the conclusion that all living things have DNA, a special set of instructions that help cells do their jobs. That's why scientists call them the building blocks of life. All right, let's keep reading. While all living things are unique, we also have something in common. We all have DNA. All living things, from humans to bananas, are connected. We all use DNA as our instructions. You might share DNA with your parents, siblings, and even your extended family like aunts, uncles, and cousins. DNA connects all living things in this special way. Interesting. What conclusions can we make from this section of text? When the text says that all living things, from humans to bananas, have DNA, does it mean we are related to bananas the same way we are related to family?
Ma'am, what did I say about eating bananas?
But I'm hungry.
Ooh boy, I'm gonna go grab him. Pause here to write down a conclusion you can make after reading this part of the text. I'll be right back. Oh, there you are, Justin.
Caroline, hi. I have something incredible to tell you.
Okay, whoa. That is why I was looking for you. We were just talking about how it's really, really important that we take accurate information from what we read when drawing conclusions. You were reading that text about DNA, right?
I sure was. Did you guys read it too?
We did, and we just read this section where we think you may have had a little misunderstanding. How about you read it again, closely? Were you able to draw any conclusions from this section of text? You might have come to the conclusion that Justin grabbed a fun fact, that humans and bananas both have DNA, but missed a crucial detail that explains what this really means. This is why it's important to read carefully and use all parts of the text. Together we noticed the title, bolded word, and diagram. You might have also noticed this photo and this caption, a note that gives more information about images. The caption helps clarify that having similar molecules to other living things doesn't mean we are actually related. Here's the conclusion we can draw. What we have in common with bananas is what we have in common with all living things: DNA.
Oh, I totally get it now. We can use the text to help us draw conclusions. Like, look at this part of the text. Scientists study DNA to do amazing things like solving crimes, curing illnesses, and helping endangered animals. By looking at DNA, we can learn a lot about ourselves and how we fit into the world of living things. Based on what the text says, I can draw the conclusion that DNA isn't just about who we're related to, it's a key that helps scientists unlock how all life on Earth is connected.
Exactly! Today, we learned an important skill that all readers need. It's crucial to read all the information provided to us, not just parts of it. We closely read the paragraphs and pay careful attention to text features like the title, photos, and captions. And by reading closely, we learned a really cool fact about living things and DNA. See, Justin? Reading carefully helps us learn amazing facts about the world and avoid mix-ups, like thinking we're related to bananas.
Yep, got it. From now on, I'll use the whole text so I can make and share accurate conclusions. Man, I have a lot of people to apologize to.
Oh, come on, I'll help. That's all for now from the Book Nook. Have fun drawing conclusions with the text in your PDF. Remember to work on your goals, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, hey.